Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chad Henry for you here again at Holiday Motors. Today with this awesome 2011 Chevy Tahoe that we traded in a couple weeks ago. I'm just now getting around to posting it because I've actually been driving it. Really nice truck. Traded it with just over 119,000 miles on it. I've put probably 500 or 600 miles on it. It was all stock when we got it. We added a 2-inch leveling kit up front. That's how we put these 18 by 10 MOTO metal wheels on it. It already had the nice MOTO Terra Grappler tires, so we just needed to put the wheels on it to bring it to life a little bit. We also added the roof rack on the top of it, give it another little touch. It already had the Borla exhaust. It also has a cold air intake on it. This was a local trade. It is from right here in southeastern Virginia. LT model that does have some equipment in it, like your power seats, but also the leather, which is in pretty good shape. It does have the power sunroof on it. Rear air, of course. Steering wheel, stereo controls. And as you can see here, 119,871. Got satellite radio, dual climate control, adjustable pedals. It does have the books in the box. But a great driving vehicle. It rides and drives perfect. Super smooth. Bench seat in the middle here, as you can see. And then access to the third row. The carpets are in great shape. Headliner, of course, is clean and just a well-kept vehicle. Non-smoker. Paint and body are beautiful. It runs and drives perfect. Like I said, I've been driving it. I've put quite a few hundred miles on it. And now it's ready for someone else, ready for a new home. So come check it out today. You can find it here in person at 3203 Victory Boulevard in Portsmouth, Virginia. Been right here since 1974. Online at www.holidaymotors.com. And you can call or text us directly, 757-487-7333. Tons of great financing options. Warranty is included. And we can help arrange for shipping and delivery if needed as well. So give us a call. Let us know how we can earn your business. Thanks for watching as always, and we look forward to hearing from you.